Hello everybody, it's me, Husky Explorer, and today I want to just show you all the drawings I make and stuff like that. So, oh yeah, and there's my friend. Hi. Anyway, so let me show you some stuff. Okay, so this one is a Pikachu I made, but with okay, so what up? And oh shit, I mean I say shit. Oh. I used to make anime characters a lot. I made this random one. Don't ask why. Random, you see, with a little focus, fam. Oh, focus. Yes. This is like a little Girl Scout eating a cookie. It's adorable. It's like a little umbrella. I don't know what that was. It's just something. And then finished it. That is my little anime character. So Chibi, yes, Chibi. I like Undertale. Don't judge. This is a horrible husky I made. Don't judge. More Undertale. Yay! Get out of my life, Layla. Jesus. Get out of my life. Okay, thank you.
Are you scared?
No. Fight me! No. Oh, you undying? Of course, I learned from parents. What you anyway. This is a little husky I made-ish. I mean, not really a husky, it's like a husky slash fox, but I like it. It's fun. I don't know what I did here. I think it was supposed to be either a Pikachu or something. I don't know. No. Okay. Don't look at that. Okay, just look at the drawing I made. It's me playing guitar. I don't know ukulele. That's all. More Undertale because it's Undertale. Ha! Yes. Beautiful. I made a random rose. I like drawing flowers, I think. Blue Napster block. No, you can't see his name, Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, my favorite. I didn't finish coloring this one. But it's me as a fox. I think it was supposed to be a husky, but these are the only colors I had, so I'm mad. And Flowey. Anyway. Yay. Yeah, that was cool. I don't know what that was. It was supposed to be like my friend's LC character. Ha. This is random person. Pokeflower. Yes. Oh, okay. If you guys know YouTuber Afro, she's body. Okay. She is friends with Lucario's Claw, aka Oh my god. AKA Zane. And pick up pocket. Anyway, so this is Zane, but in like Chara. So, and then if you see the blacks, this is his hair, no dirt, but like the stuff I colored in the pencil is supposed to be like blood and stuff. So, yeah. My like all-time favorite is this one. I love it. It's Bay. Yay, cookie. Choke. I think it's supposed to be amethyst, but I don't know why she's wearing that. Yeah, don't ask, okay? Oh yeah. It's supposed to be derpy. I messed up on it a little bit. Like, I love how it's like I messed up, but yeah, I guess. Whatever. Hi, fam. That's pretty interesting. She's licking a popsicle. Don't think of something else, fam. Don't think of. Don't just stop. Go get some help. Minion. Ah. Oh shoot! What the? Oh, okay. It's supposed to be cotton candy. I don't know what happened. Stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to like the anime chibi fusky sketchbook. Yes. Ha 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 ha. So that's what my thing is. Okay, so tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite. If you didn't have one, good for you. Yes, thumbs up. So, if you haven't subscribed, and I know some people, don't judge, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, please, please and thank you, yes, and, hit the like button, please, I beg you, I'm gonna die if you don't. Choking. Okay. Yeah, fine. Ha! Don't ask me. Get out of my life. So, bye, fair.
Bye.